Welcome guys, today we're going to be learning a song from Sinach. We Are Perfect in Him. It's one of the third songs she sang, and that is the intro. You would have to, play it in a trumpet or a saxophone if you are two players playing. So let me show you the intro and then let's move on to the song. So it's a 6, 5, 4. I'm playing in the key of F. Alright, so this is the 6 chord, and then this is the 5 chord, and then this is the 4 chord. So this is what we're going to do. Sorry. So you play the 6 like, then you move to 5. So that's the intro. So you play it with your left, you play. So let's go. Alright, so that's the intro for the song. Now we are perfect on the 4 in you. We bless your name. We are complete. Now the initial part of the song, you're going to be playing the 6, 5, 4. So we are perfect. This is your chord 4 in you. Bless your name. Now you're playing your suspended chord over the 5. Now you saw me play something like, it's a part. So we are perfect in you. We are complete in you. So this is the chord, we bless your name. Upon us, we play of chord 5. It's your glory and your grace. So from chord 4 to chord 5, chord 1 rather. For upon us, so you play your chord 5. It's your beauty and your love. So this is it. For upon us, chord 5. It's your glory, chord 4. And your grace, chord 1. Then the second time you play it again. For upon us 5. Then this time around you come to 2. It's your beauty and you play your diminished flat 5. Your love. You still play a suspended chord. Then from glory to glory, God is taking. From glory, chord 1, to glory, chord 5. God is taking us, chord 2. Then you play F. So let me start again. We, from intro to this place, we are perfect taking us higher. So this time when we play chord 1, it's taking us higher. Chord 1, we move to chord 5, higher. Then from there we move to chord 6, higher. Then we play a flat 7th chord, a major 1, from glory to glory. So we play E flat major chord, glory. I just inverted it so I could play like this. It's taking us higher, 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 from glory to glory. So because of the tempo of the song, you can play it. Alright, so you saw me do something like. Alright, so it's just the notes. You need your 4th note, 3rd note, one note, and then the 5th note. Any chord you're playing in, for example, any key that you're playing in. If I'm playing even in F sharp, I need my notes, the notes 4, 3, 1, 5. 4, 3, 1, 5. Even B flat. If I'm playing in B, this is going to be my. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you could play. Alright, so thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and leave your